in the cerebrum as along with the cerebellum. So the brain, the energy goes both the areas, and from this heart chakra it travels down to the bottom of the spine, thereby activating your kundalini also. It is the psychic center. It is not parapsychic. It is the psychic center of your body. The whole body has to go into that psychic zone. So you will find the whole body slightly trembling. You may find, is it excitement or it is some kind of a fever. You may find different feelings. You may get different feelings all over. But the different feelings you have to enjoy. These are the steps where you will see. First, to get that light inside you. Then, when you get that light, then what happens? The first point is, don't have strong likes and dislikes. ರಾಗದ್ವೇಷಗಳು ಇರಬಾರದು. On the third day, Mother tells all of you, don't have strong likes and dislikes. Don't have strong likes and dislikes. You balance all your likes and dislikes. So how do you do it? First, witness the early morning sunlight as much as you can, and just be quiet and breathe normally. Allow all your thoughts to dissipate from your brain and your body. It is these thoughts which crystallizes and settles inside as sentiment, or as what do we call as sediments. So when you stop likes and dislikes, then there are no sediments at all. Karma. What is the name of sediments? Karma. So you understand there should not be any strong likes and dislikes. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಆಸೆ ಪಡಬಾರದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ದ್ವೇಷ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ರಾಗದ್ವೇಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಬಾರದು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ದ್ವೇಷ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರದು. So when you first have this point inside your mind, then when you breathe in during that early sunlight, even up to 8 o'clock, 8:30, it is still early sunlight only. So don't have strong likes and dislikes. What happens? ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಅದು ನವರಾತ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಸ್ನಾನಾಗೇನ ಏನೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You can just have a cup of coffee, you can have a cup of tea, you can just relax. Make sure you don't have strong likes and dislikes. Remember, all the 7 jewels, the precious jewels, are inside you. And all those precious and semi-precious jewels inside you will give out that light. By breathing, by conscious breathing, that light from all those crystals inside your body, brain and your mind, as well as your nerve junctions, all those light comes out when you completely shun off likes and dislikes. So during this Navaratri, you make a sankalpa, like a resolution. From this Navaratri, and especially during Navaratri, I will not have strong likes and dislikes. I am not going to love a person much more than he or she has to be loved, nor I am going to have that kind of a negative emotion and feelings for people, making me to dislike them, whether it be a man or a girl or a boy or a girl or a woman or whatever it is. Don't have strong likes and dislikes in your life. More so during Navaratri. If you have this habit even after Navaratri, then you will balance your emotion. And this will make you balance your emotion. Why? Balance emotion ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? The reason is because if you want to see the light of your soul, then you have to balance that antara chakshu, because it is that light which gives you that light for your eyes and for your ears. And this basic light for your eyes and your ears, we call it as mumukshatvada anubhava, mystical experiences. Since you all have strong likes and dislikes, most of you all are 99.99%, you will not understand, you will not even experience all these mystical experiences. Why? Because you have strong likes and dislikes. ನಮ್ಮವರು ತಮ್ಮವರು ಅಂತ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮವರು ತಮ್ಮವರು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ಈಗ ಇವರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ವೈಡೂರ್ಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದವರು, ಈಗ ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಇವರು ಸವಾಸವೇ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದೆ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವಂತೀರ, ಓ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ನಾವು ಈ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು, ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಈ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 3 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. Do you understand what is like and what is love? What is dislike and what is hate? Do you understand the difference? Do you understand the difference of like and a love and dislike and hate? You don't understand. Why you don't understand? Because you cannot see the light from your own soul. ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಾಗ you will find the whole of this area completely lit up. Once that light falls only, then you will see different colors to Vibgyor. This is what you will understand. ಅಲ್ವೇ? ಇದನ್ನು ಸಮತೋಲನವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್, nor you are disliking somebody of a person, a personality, then you will understand Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, yellow, orange, green, red. Likes and dislikes, if you don't have much more than normal, then you will start meditational experience. That is called as mystical experiences. That is called in Kannada as mumukshatvada anubhava. Then only you will start seeing all colors. And these colors are nothing but the Pita of Devi. So in your meditation, you see different lights, it means your emotions are normal, and you will start understanding violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Why you are not seeing it now? Why you are not seeing it now? Why? Because there are strong likes and dislikes. Ragadvesha. Because of Ragadvesha only, you are not able to see meditational lights. Either you love somebody or you hate somebody, or you like somebody or you dislike somebody. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೈಲೆಟ್, ಇಂಡಿಗೋ, ಬ್ಲೂ, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ, ಆರೆಂಜ್, ರೆಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸೋಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಲೆಟ್ ಗೋ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ಸ್, then you come into the zone of pure mind which is filled with unconditional love. This is again what is left yesterday. I have picked it up today also. One point. You are thinking, why this unconditional love I am not able to understand? Why the hell I am not understanding this? Because you have strong likes and dislikes. That is the first point. I am tackling it down today, the second day of Navaratri or the third day of Navaratri. ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ರಾಗದ್ವೇಷ. ಇವ್ರ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನೇ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯಿತು, ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರತಿಮೆ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ an idol of Shiva, Parvati or any kind of god or a Grama Devata or Aradhane Devata or Ishta Devata, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then you are now becoming pure in your mind and intellect. You have now started becoming pure in your mind and intellect. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹಾಗೂ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಆಗ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಆ ಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಮೆ ಕಂಡಾಗ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, the visions indicate also be pure. Even visions gives you violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. That is also a sure shine. ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You are now coming into the zone of pure mind and intellect.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.